It's time for some jokes from Disney. It's time for some jokes from Disney. Some jokes from Disney.
Let's not get something again. And then arts and crafts. D. Ladies and gentlemen, here is D. Thank you, Dash. Hi, everyone. Good jokes for you. Is it ready? Here you go. An octopus jokes are jokes. A knock octopus. Knock Mr. Octopus. Octopus who? Another one for you. What? It's a job's vegetable. D. What? To get too much pepper and the pasta. And give up. Macaroni and cheese. Chill. Chill. Thanks for watching. Click here and subscribe, and click there and find the PBS near you.